Unfuck your life. 1. Own your shit. Stop blaming everyone else. Your life won't change until you decide to take control. Be honest with yourself and start where you are. 2. Clean up your circle. Surround yourself with people who push you to grow, not drag you down. Energy is contagious. Pick the good kind. 3. Do one thing daily that sucks but helps. Working out, budgeting, eating better, whatever it is, just start. You don't have to love it. You just have to do it. 4. Your phone isn't your life. Scrolling won't fix your problems. Log off. Go live something real, even if it's messy. 5. Small wins matter. Making your bed, drinking water, showing up to work, stack small wins, and your life starts to shift. 6. Your past doesn't define you. Messed up? Cool. So has everyone else. Learn from it. Don't live in it. 7. Take the damn step. Whatever you've been putting off, start it. The perfect time isn't coming. You fix your life by moving, not overthinking.